Welcome back. My name is Dr. Carl Baird, and today I'll be showing you how to perform the pelvic tilt exercise. This is a great exercise to know if you're suffering from lower back pain for a couple of reasons. First, I use it in my clinic as a way to get gentle movement in that lower back to help with pain relief or a stiffness in the lower back. But second, and when we're thinking about a more long-term solution to lower back pain, it helps us build awareness to our pelvic positioning. And this is really important because your pelvis sets the foundation for your spinal alignment. And if your pelvis is rocked forward or backward, it's going to put more impact on your spine just as you move throughout your day, which is going to contribute to that lower back pain. So building awareness in our pelvic positioning is really important, and the pelvic tilt helps us do that. So to perform, relatively easy. We're going to lay on our back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. And so what you'll notice when you just lay in this position is that you'll have this natural arch in your back. So your back won't be flat on the ground. There'll be a little bit of a curve just from the natural curve of your spine. And so to perform the pelvic tilt, what we're going to do is just mess with that arch. And again, it's hard to see, but I'll explain it as we go through. So first thing I want to do is rock my pelvis backwards by flattening that arch on the ground. And so what you'll notice is maybe your sacrum or glutes come off the mat. And then from there, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to rock the pelvis forward by exaggerating that arch. And all I'm going to do is move back and forth from these two positions. And again, it's this gentle movement. It's almost like the cat-cow, which is a full spine exercise to get that movement in the spine. Only this one is centering it on that lower back. So it's great, again, if you just want to focus on getting that gentle movement in the lower back, and it should feel pretty good. Now, the other thing that you want to pay attention to as you do this exercise is, again, finding that perfect pelvic alignment that just feels the best. So what you might notice is as you flatten your back against the ground, maybe that feels uncomfortable, or if you exaggerate that arch, that feels uncomfortable. And so what you want to do as you perform this is just pay attention to what is the alignment or the position of your pelvis that feels best for you. And that just helps you know, again, when you're standing or when you're moving through the day, if you're experiencing lower back pain, you might just need to adjust this pelvic positioning and get back to that middle ground that feels good for you. So that's it. Again, a relatively simple exercise, but a really important one for solving lower back pain. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.